Hey everybody, Thrift Store Hacker back again, and I picked up an electric bike. This is the cheapest one I can find. It's a Jetson Bolt Pro. You can get them at Costco. But I picked it up because it was affordable. We have a micro-mobility project going on in town, so there's a lot of really nice, safe bike lanes to ride around in. And this bike comes with front and rear disc brakes, a 350 watt, 36 volt motor. The seat and everything's adjustable. Comes with a bell, of course. Safety. Camera mount not included. That just gets mounted to every one of my projects. And all in all, it's a pretty good sized compact bike. It's even got a handle on it, so when you have it folded up, it's really easy to carry. So let's take it out here on the Reno River Walk and have a quick ride on it. The top speed on the bike is 15.5 miles an hour, which you can't really pedal it any faster than that either. It has a pedal assist on it. You can either go full electric or pedal the bike, and once you get up to about, let's say 8 or 9 miles an hour, it kicks the electric motor on and makes pedaling really easy. The maximum range on it, just on all electric, is 15 miles. And then if you use the pedal assist a lot, you can get up to 30 miles. That's what it says on the box, but we'll test that in another video, of course. Now, it's not the most powerful electric bike you can get on the market. We are working on a budget, and it does have enough power to carry a just under 200-pound person up this hill here. We'll go right up this ramp and over the bridge, no problem. You could probably do it a little bit faster, but I was kind of going slow for safety, and riding one-handed is a bit tricky. And you see, all electric power right up that hill, not too bad. In the 2 weeks that I've had it, I've been riding this thing a lot. Like, I don't even think I've gotten in the car for a week and a half. It's just really convenient to hop on it, shoot down to the grocery store and stuff like that. The bike's been very reliable. There's nothing rattling loose. I did pop a tire the other day, but that was because I picked up a construction staple and, it just happens. The tires are somewhat standard size, so I was able to source a replacement bike tube fairly easily here in town. Didn't have to wait for it in the mail. That way I can take it to work the next morning. With the micro-mobility pilot program going on downtown, we have a lot of really neat bike lanes and safe places for people to ride. So I've been taking advantage of that and cruising all over town in the bike. So I guess in conclusion, it's a really good bike. It'll get the job done. It's not the most powerful thing. It's not the fastest thing on the market. But budget versus durability versus enjoyment, it's totally worth the money that they're selling it for at the local warehouse store. Well, that's all I have for you today, but we are going to be coming back with this bike on the channel. First thing we're going to do is we're going to range test it. We're going to see how it works versus what the box says. But until next time, build stuff, have fun, and stay safe.